My name is Loy. I'm a CEO and co-founder of Kyber Network. So at Kyber, what we do is we allow decentralized token swap to be integrated everywhere, including wallets, website, and even smart contract. I started doing research on cryptocurrency and blockchain, I guess 5 years ago when I started doing my PhD. So basically, I did a lot of research on like the protocol level, how to scale up the public blockchain without compromising the security aspect. Right? And yeah, I work on. I think we are the first to write an academic paper about Ethereum, and it got published in a top-tier security conference. And we got to know Vitalik from then, and we have been like working with him on a few other initiatives. I think it gives, first of all, it gives people like the custody of the asset, which is great, right? So now you are responsible for your own money, for your own asset, and you have like full control of it, right? So even like if there's fraud happen like in other platforms, you're not affected, right? And secondly, it gives back like all the privacy and control on the transactional level to the users as well. I mean, not entirely, but like in some public blockchain that advocate like privacy, you can achieve that. And I think it also allows people to it also allows to create or enable a decentralized and verifiable financial system, right? Like just imagine that you can manage and you can put your fund in a smart contract that the fund manager cannot take away, cannot take the money away, right? And you can verify like all the activities in that fund, right? So now you have more confidence, about the fund, right? On the fund, and if the fund manager like lie to you, you can easily detect that. It's great, yeah. So we are based in Singapore, and it's great like to be here and to meet like everyone, from over the world. And the community and the ecosystem here in SF is amazing. Yeah, so we are looking forward to working with more developers, building a more connected ecosystem in Ethereum.
Oh.